So I finally got my hands on the LA Lab Oil Control Face Bar, and in today's video I am going to be unboxing it and reviewing it together with you guys. Hi there guys, my name is Priscilla. Thank you so much for tuning in and welcome to my YouTube channel. So you guys, I bought this face bar for 20 Rand from Pep. It is a 100 grams soap bar and it was selling for 20 Rand, which I think is quite expensive for a soap bar. Anyway, the soap bar really smells a bit lemony and it does a very good job at lathering up, as you guys can see there. The soap bar literally promises to go ahead and aid in acne treatment and prevention. So I said to just go ahead and use it for a week so that I could confirm if this really was the case. And I'm glad to tell you guys that it is the case to a certain extent. I definitely noticed the acne that I had on my skin when I started using the soap literally shrinking after using it, and also my skin did not break out as much whilst I was using it. So I can definitely vouch for it to a certain extent as far as that is concerned. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are interested in seeing a similar content. I love you guys. Bye.